Alright, good morning. Good morning. Got the stream started. We're ready to roll. Both SPY and QQQ have hit all-time highs last Friday. Both of them are kind of right in the middle of the range of the previous Friday's price action. Those are SPY. You can see the high and the low from last Friday. You can see that we're kind of right in that range as well. And if I pull up QQQ, you'll see it's a very similar situation. We have the high and the low from last Friday, and we're kind of right in the middle of that range as well. So zones, still the same. We drew a zone from the tops, but everything else pretty similar. Might throw in some pre-market highs. Pre-market low, not necessarily, because that pre-market low is pretty much coinciding with the I suppose I could throw it on there. We'll throw it on there for good faith. Wish there was an easier way to like select. Anyway, so we have, ooh, look at that, pre-market high pretty much right at the top of that zone. Almost too perfect. I'm really liking the zones. I'm starting to, I think, get a hang of it. As you can see, like bounce from this zone to this zone, pre-market action, bounce from this one to this one, reject out of there. I think we're getting there. I think we're starting to figure some things out in terms of drawing these zones accurately. And drop that like cent or so. Alright, so we got pre-market high, pre-market low as it stands right now. Obviously things could change in the next 6.5 minutes, but I'm not too concerned. So what do we have? Let's look at the daily. On the daily, and I'm gonna mark, I really doubt we get all the way down here, but should we be weak, I'll mark this with a, we'll keep it gray. That's just to remind me that we have a massive gap below, and we have that on both SPY and QQQ on the daily. You know, as we're standing, we're kind of somewhere in here, so it'd be like a $6 drop to even get to that gap. Could happen. I'm not sure it happens today, but if we get a pullback, that's something to watch for sure. But before I switch over to QQQ, I mean, and they're both pretty similar. What do we have? We're in an uptrend, right? We're making higher highs, higher lows. We're looking like an inside day today. Could break out to the either side. Downside's probably more likely in terms of just looking at pre-market price action. But anything can happen. I don't want to have a bias going into today, especially because we haven't broken to the upside or the downside. What's going on, William? I'm doing well, thank you. The news for today, yes, we have new home sales, and that is at 10 a.m. Eastern. That's it. That's the only news that we have today. So pretty light on the news. Yeah, that's what we got. I hope you're doing well. So that's kind of quick overview where we are in SPY. QQQ is very much the same thing, right? We have a uptrend, higher highs, higher lows. We have that massive gap, but even bigger gap than on SPY. So we can kind of just mark that. It's not exact, but maybe move that up. Whoops. Wait, we'll say 0.7 or something. Similar thing, right? New highs. We're kind of at the bottom end of yesterday's range, but still looking to trade within the previous day's range. So we'll see if we get a breakout to the one side or the other. To the upside, a breakout above the pre-market high could be an indicator. To the downside, if we break below that low a day or this pre-market low. No immediate trade off just like what we have right now. Like I said, it's an inside day. We're inside the previous day's range. kind of just wait and see how things play out. It looks like maybe we have a double bottom there in the pre-market. Made a higher high, higher low, higher high. We'll see if we hold that area in there, maybe like around 437 on QQQ for a, you know, if we pull back and hold this area for a higher low and continue up and potentially, you know, break above that pre-market high. So actually that's what I'll do. I'll set a alert right at that pre-market high for QQQ. And then on SPY, we can do the same thing, right? They're both very similar in terms of their setups today. We'll create that alert. Maybe we can create an alert down here as well. Create an alert for the low previous day on QQQ as well. Sweet. Maybe start watching QQQ. QQQ's been treating me well, so we'll start with that. Make sure I can actually pull up options before we get started here. I might need to, there we go, perfect. Past 2 days I was unable to do so and I had to restart my thinkorswim, so happy to see that's not the case. Alright, get everything kind of lined up here. Yeah, we're just kind of hanging out until the market opens at this point.
Yo, I had to change my name, man. I just changed my name on here so it's easier for y'all to call me out.
Word. How you doing, man? You have a good weekend?
Yeah, chilling, man, chilling. Yeah, just did a bunch of work.
Hmm.
Watch a little bit of UFC.
Yeah, I only caught the Moreno fight, Brandon Moreno. I didn't watch any of the others.
Yeah, I watched a little bit of the main card, and then yeah, I watched the main fight as well, the Moreno fight. But it's pretty cool.
Yeah.
How's your weekend?
Oh, it's pretty chill. Just got outside a bit. Didn't do anything too crazy. Just kind of relaxed. Got some chores and stuff done.
Nice. You have any levels on SPY?
Let me take a look. On SPY, what am I watching? Let's see here. I got like an area around Friday's low, around like 507 to, you know, 507.15 or so. And then from last Thursday's high, got a level around there, around like 508.5, kind of right around that like pre-market high. And then a zone from Friday's high a day. But yeah, that's it really. And then, you know, some levels to the downside if we get down.
Yeah, do you have a 437.14 level on QQQ?
437.13, let me take a look.
Yeah, somewhere around there.
437.13. I don't, but I see what you're saying, yeah. I have one at like 437.5-ish.
Yeah.
But no, I can see that for sure from like last Thursday and Friday.
Yeah. Bounced off of it already in pre-market. Breaking pre-market high already.
Yeah.
I only have 439.2 and then I have 440.59 in QQQ.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah, I got like a 439-ish area and then like a from the all-time high up around like 440.5. Damn, QQQ is looking pretty strong. Yeah, I was watching for the break of that pre-market high on QQQ. Maybe like a break and retest of like 438, move up towards 439, but it's looking really strong.
What do you guys do on Friday?
I only took one trade. I took some puts on QQQ.
Okay.
Yeah, we kind of had like a little bear flag and then broke out, and I took puts on the retest. It was pretty solid.
Nice.
It ran a bit more than, you know, I took profits, and then it kind of bounced around and continued to run, but it was decent.
Yeah. Huge rejection around your level you had right there.
Yeah. Yeah, man, QQQ's really pulling back. Yeah, Scream, I don't know if you're talking about, we can't hear you. I see your things lit up in Discord, but...
What's going on?
Oh, there you are. I wasn't sure if you were talking or not. I just...
Doing some last minute leveling.
Yeah, another inside day today, so I'm kind of just... I'll probably let the morning play out a little bit, see how we're feeling.
News at 10, right?
Yeah, not much. Got new home sales. I don't know how much that really move it. That's a wild 5-minute candle on QQQ.
Yeah.
SPY's looking a little bit stronger.
Good morning, boys.
What's up, Yvonne?
Hey.
So do you guys think we're going to continue up or something?
Too sure.
Being kind of a choppy day, honestly. Because I think we have news coming out later this week. Maybe. What do we got?
GDP on
GDP?
Wednesday.
Yeah, GDP on Wednesday, and then Thursday we got a lot of like PCE and jobless claims and stuff. We'll see. I was just saying I'm a little hesitant because it's like it's an inside day, and we're like kind of right in the middle of Friday's range. Really could kind of go either way. I'm not sure.
Yeah, but that 507 on SPY looks so nice.
For a bounce, you're saying?
Bounce break, whatever.
Yeah. Yeah, and then like kind of where we're at around like 508.5 was the high of last Thursday, the previous all-time high.
Little mini resistance at 509.
Yeah, so I'm kind of
510 after that.
yeah.
That's all time high, I think, right?
Yes, sir.
Crazy. It's hard to trade up here. Gotta be extra selective, extra careful.
Yeah, I'm on probably just let the first 20-30 minutes or something play out and see if we have a direction or what we're looking like. He's struggling around that like 438. Guess both of them are around that pre-market high, kind of rejecting.
Yeah.
Kind of liking maybe some SPY puts off that pre-market high.
This hasn't convinced me yet.
Yeah, no, I haven't taken anything, but it's looking kind of weak up there. It keeps touching it and failing to push through. And then it's like
A
right,
bit of a range.
right where it rejected pretty hard last Thursday. Dropped like over $1.
Little range from like high day to VWAP. It's like 508.40 or something.
Okay. Yeah.
Like whichever way it breaks to, it's probably gonna go that way, but it's kind of 50-50. Break below VWAP, maybe a retest. For puts. Looks like it's holding though. Got a little flag on the 2-minute.
It looks like it's, I don't know. It's trying to hold that 508.40 for now, but I think we get a rejection up here.
Yeah, now it's starting to look weak.
Should have taken that rejection. It's looking nice. It's looking real nice. See if we get a retest up there.
we're gonna get it.
Damn, kind of salty. I missed that one. It's looking pretty nice to the downside now, breaking lower lows.
Does it make you feel better that I caught it?
Yeah, a little bit.
You're gonna get kicked.
No, I mean, that's only on me because I wanted to take it. I just hesitated. But damn, that's a really nice setup. It looks pretty good. Oh, I'm salty now though. Oh my god, look at it. I think it'd go all the way down to like 507.1, like lower Friday.
You see QQQ?
No, I wasn't watching it. What's it
Look
doing?
at that one.
Oh
Look at
man,
that one.
yeah, that one's nice too. Good lord. I'm just missing all of it. Alright, I'm just gonna take it. No more hesitation. I saw it and I didn't take it. That was a nice trade though. Yeah, QQQ's sitting right at the zone I have right here, so we'll see if it bounces. I like 436.5. Hopefully, don't just get like some chop. I don't want that. Damn, QQQ is bouncing. Wow. Candle flipped from red to green real quick.
Tesla is strong today, man.
What was that?
Tesla is the strongest.
Hmm.
today.
SPY and QQQ are both doing the same thing, kind of. Whoa. QQQ had that weird spike. Is anybody else seeing that, or is that just TD or yeah, Thinkorswim tripping?
No, I saw it too, but I wasn't paying attention to it.
Yeah, not on trading view.
Spiked almost like $1.
Yeah, back to high of day almost,
That was
or
weird.
that 437.84 level.
Yeah.
Yeah,
It did
even
that.
shows it on the 5.
I think it did that last week too.
Potential reset, but now it's too close to 10 o'clock.
Yeah, I wouldn't expect the news to make a big difference today. Unless there's like some crazy no home sale or something. No home sale? That didn't make sense. No. Sold? English is terrible. Yeah, I'm hoping we don't just get like some horizontal action today. Looking like we might though.
I was about to take puts, but just in case that 10 o'clock candle pressing. Rather not.
Retest of that 508.4.
Pretty close, yeah.
QQ looking like a potential double bottom down here. A lot of volume coming in on the 1 minute, trying to hold that area. got that bounce on QQQ from the bottom. That was a pretty nice little trade. About a $1 swing there.
You traded or?
Yes, sir.
Nice.
I got the. Looks like we were getting a double bottom on QQQ. I was watching 1 minute. It came down and held that. I had a zone there. Held it on like really high volume. And I took it up to pretty much right where it is now. That 1 minute chart be doing me wonders, I'll tell you what.
It's nice, right?
Dude, it's so nice. And then once we got that 5 minute close, that last 5 minute close, I felt real good holding it up into this zone. I think we might get some kind of sideways action, but at least you can trade zone to zone.
Took some calls on SPY, but the contracts are moving so bad, so.
Damn, for real?
Dude, yeah. Like terrible. I traded the 508s, 0 DTEs.
Oh, what? I guess.
It went from like 97 cents to $1.14.
Hmm.
Not a lot of range.
Yeah. But so yeah, I got out of those for a small gain.
Yeah.
Like 10 cents a contract.
Today might be a little tricky. I wouldn't be surprised if we kind of just range around.
And I got a really good fill too, but I don't know.
Yeah, I wouldn't be surprised if we kind of just... Just looking at both of them, it looks like kind of a choppy, more sideways day today. Guess it's still pretty early in the morning, we can see.
What contracts did you trade for QQQ?
I took, what were they, 438s? Same day expiration.
Nice.
And I took them, I got in around like 436.6.
Yeah, those moved a lot better than the contracts I was trading.
Yeah, I took one off around like 20%, and the other was, I don't know,
Nice.
like 30-something percent. But yeah, I was wary because we had this kind of that swing low up here, like where we held for support a little bit, and it's starting to reject off that area now. Yeah, I've been noticing QQQ sometimes just on like little bounces or swings, you can get like easy 30%.
Yeah.
I think it just, I mean, it did move like over $1, so, or around $1, I guess.
Yeah, these 508 contracts are moving terrible. Actually nasty.
Yeah, SPY looks crazy right now. I don't know what to make of that. Making higher lows, but I think you could have some good move if it gets above that pre-market high. good thing you got out of those SPY calls. Sheesh.
Yeah, I didn't like it at all. It wasn't good.
And QQQ's kind of doing the same thing.
Yeah, this contract's completely dumped. Holy moly. Yeah.
The biggest bummer when, like, on the way up they're barely moving, but as soon as it pulls back they just start.
I know. That's why I got out, because like we had like a good spike. Let me see, let me pull up the chart. Got in, I think around, let's see what time it was. Right after we closed the 7 o'clock candle, I got in, and like we spiked up a little bit, and then we came back, and like when we drew back to this 508 level, like the contracts dumped super hard, and I was like, what the heck? And then when we went spiked up to that 508.5, the contracts literally moved like 9 cents. I was like, what the fuck? So I just got out.
Yeah, like a 10% move or so.
Yeah. Yeah.
The way
Just
to
'cause, like, yeah, literally.
I was just gonna say the way today's looking on SPY, getting away with about 10% might not be too bad. This thing's chopping.
Yeah. It was 4 contracts, so wasn't even much, but I'll wait for the next trade.
QQQ isn't looking too bad. If it can get above like that pre-market high, it's looking decently strong. Like in comparison to SPY at least.
Yeah, SPY is just, yeah.
But yeah.
I literally have no levels for SPY. I was just trading an intraday level, so I wasn't even that confident on it as well. So that's why I was like, if it's not gonna go my way instantly, I'm just gonna get out of them.
Yeah, I don't really have anything until I have like pre-market high, and then I got a Friday's low around like 407 or 407, 507.
Yeah, right next like the pre-market low. Yeah.
So yeah, it's kind of in no man's land right now. QQQ is still looking pretty strong.
Yeah, it looks better than SPY.
I just want to see it clear that like 437.9 or so. Oh my. Yeah, it's popping.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it came down and held that 437 real well. That 5-minute candle looks strong. Dang. QQQ is looking like a beast right now. See if it can get above 438.
Yeah, Q's look like they had a triangle. It already broke out of it. Going up.
Yeah, I'd want to see it get close above 438 for sure, though. I would kind of reject off that area earlier. But yeah, it looks pretty good. I mean, if it can continue. SPY? I don't know about SPY. SPY's doing that thing that SPY does. It just moves kind of sideways with long wicks. It did hold that low a day pretty well, though.
Looks like it wants to squeeze.
Yeah, there's a little bit of resist or like that trend line from kind of the highs, the swing highs. If you could break above that. EQ is looking real strong. Okay. Oof.
Damn, you completely jinxed that.
I know. My bad. It's that 438 area, man. Just
Yeah.
I was like, if we can get a good 5-minute close over that area, it looks like it could continue the upside, but yeah, I tend to do that. It's looking strong, and then it immediately the next candle is like a complete opposite. Like the Jim Cramer of trading. Yeah, unfortunately, I think we might just stay in kind of this range. If we can't break above highs or lows.
Almost an hour. Just chop.
Yeah.
Yeah.
brutal.
Hot.
Just stare
Good.
at. Somebody sing me a song.
On.
Yvonne, come on.
Igram,
Sing your national anthem.
Yeah.
Yeah, I almost
Yeah.
fell asleep. Yeah, it's so slow today, guys.
Yeah, might be able to play QQQ to the downside here. If it's not stay in this range, it looks like we're likely to get some sort of pullback here, but yeah, I don't know.
Potentially. Getting close.
Wow. Yeah, SPY is getting some volume way down.
There it goes. What's SPY doing? Oh yeah, SPY's kind of... Yeah, SPY's definitely looking weaker, huh? A brutal chart on the 5-minute though. Wild. I think Fuli got the nicest trade today. That rejection off pre-market was like the smoothest move we've had.
That's about it, yeah.
Yeah, that'll do it for me today. This price action sucks.
Good work on that trade though.
Appreciate it. Yeah, you too, man. I'll catch y'all tomorrow.
Sounds good. Take it easy, brother.
Later.
See you, man.
Yeah, SPY is acting up.
I can hear some Jelena Karleusha in background.
QQQ's trying again at that 438.
Yeah, that reversal, man.
It looked weak for a second and then it said nope.
Really tempted to go calls and SPY.
Oh damn, yeah. QQQ kind of is looking strong. SPY.
I should have pulled the trigger.
Yeah, it's starting to pop.
That's like too much red for me to get in now.
Yeah, it's close to that resistance. I mean, it's like kind of touching it right now from the previous two highs.
Trying not to risk more than 3 points for futures.
Oh, yeah, I forgot. So you're trading futures? Are you looking at the SPY chart? Or are you trading SPY?
I have SPY open, but I'm mostly looking at the ES.
Gotcha. Okay.
But it's the same thing, just different numbers. Literally the same.
Isn't futures open on like Sunday or something?
It was even open on President's Day.
Wow.
I didn't touch it, but it was open.
Like, if you're addicted,
Yeah, right.
I got something for you.
You could wake up at like 3 in the morning and place a trade.
It's like crypto trading is open 24/7.
Okay.
It scares me though.
Mm-hmm.
You wake up and you're just like, oh, drop 30% overnight.
Oh, it came back down. Chop City.
Yeah. Yeah, SPY's a little choppy. QQQ looks maybe a little better, but still I'm a little hesitant because it still hasn't been able to close above 438. It's rejected out of there like 4 times. You trade NQ at all?
No, I haven't tried. I'm not even sure what they pay for those.
Hmm.
Like ES, every dollar it moves is $50.
Ooh,
I don't trade those. I trade the micros,
gotcha.
which is $5 every dollar.
Okay.
NQ, I'm not sure what they pay. bro. The NQs are $20 per point.
Wow.
So per dollar.
Dang.
But the micro NQ is $2.
Okay. That's not bad. QQQ just rejected hard off 438 again. That level is something.
Dude, yeah, I got on the puts on those earlier, like right after the 725 candle. Went down, tried selling my contracts, didn't get filled, got stopped out.
Sorry to hear that.
Pain. Absolute pain. Oh, like, there's no way.
It's coming down here and then just stop. Like it's holding pretty well.
Yeah.
Which makes me kind of call biased, but
Yeah, I'm hesitant. It's sitting right at that EMA, but
if you want calls, this is a good area, but
if it gets above 438, it should move probably a solid like 80 cents until the next area I'd watch for resistance. But
I'm gonna try a little call.
I mean, it's definitely been moving quite a bit cleaner than SPY on this like uptrend from that double bottom. But yeah, that 438 has been tricky for it. Okay.
Yeah, 5 minutes looks good for upside. At least for now.
I think a tight stop call. Because if it breaks that trend, it can go.
Yeah, it keeps trying.
I'm just
On
risking low
SPY or QQQ?
Yeah, I guess that's true. I'm not watching SPY, I was watching QQQ. SPY 1 minute chart is wild. Like a stegosaurus, I think.
I see it. Yeah.
Or like maybe Godzilla like falling over.
Well, so far so bad.
So far, so bad. Yeah, QQQ, man. Look at this thing. Keeps touching 438 though.
Looks like it wants to go. Hopefully it goes. By following. I'll be pissed if it makes low a day and then just goes up. He's going up.
Yeah, it's certainly trying there. This 5 minute candle's gonna close soon. If it closes under 438, it's gonna be wild. It's having the toughest time there. Close to like right where the other previous three did. Oh man.
There we go.
There it is.
Come on.
Did spiders pump? I keep forgetting you're probably watching something different than me.
Yeah.
It is funny, they're moving kind of in.
They're like not. Yeah, the charts actually look the opposite.
Yeah. But right when
SPY
you.
has like a descending triangle. U's have like an ascending triangle.
Yeah. He looks like he wants to break out here. Alright, I might head out. I'll see you guys tomorrow.
Yeah, I'm gonna end up heading out too. Watching this QQQ chart, it's just not fun.
Yeah, it just cannot get above 438.
Yeah.
4 consecutive candles like failing to close above it on the 5-minute.
Yep.
Yeah.
But alright then, y'all. I'll see you tomorrow.
Yeah, take it easy, everybody. I'll see you tomorrow.
Yes, yes, yes,
Yeah,
yes, yes.
see you guys tomorrow.
Alright, take it easy, everybody. Good luck. And I'll catch you tomorrow. Peace.